Hi, I'm Casey with Command Light, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the down limit switch on your night light. If in auto park, your lamp tree rotates around, hits center, and your lamp tree starts coming down and the lower section does not start coming down, chances are you've got a bad nest switch. To change the switch out, you're going to need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, a 9/16 open-end wrench, and your new switch and nut. So first thing you need to do is make sure your tower is up so you can get to the down limit switch here. You'll want to take out all these screws on these covers here. I already went through and took out all the screws on the other side. Remove the top 2 covers first. And then remove the wraparound cover. Using your number 3 Phillips screwdriver, you're going to take out these 2 screws right here. This screw is attached to ground wires, so make sure when you put the screw back in, all those ground wires get attached back. That will allow you to take the switch off. It's going to be connected to this plate here. You'll use your 9/16 open-end wrench to take the nut off of the bottom of the plate. Remove that plate. Then you're going to unwire your switch. Take note of where your wires are. You've got your green going to common, your purple going to normally open, and your yellow going to normally closed. Go ahead and use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove those rings. I'm rewiring the switch in. Once again, your green goes to your common, your purple goes to your normally open, and your yellow goes to your normally closed. Get those nice and snug. Then you can attach the switch back onto the plate. Use your 9/16 inch wrench to tighten that down. Make sure your switch is in the same spot it was when you took it apart, and that the plunger underneath is going to be activating the switch. Place the 2 screws. Again, make sure that all of the green wires get attached back with the second screw. Make sure these connectors aren't sticking out past where the cover will be touching them, or will restrict you from putting the cover on all the way. Those nice and tight. Make sure your switch is tight, and then you can go ahead and put your wraparound cover back on. Tighten down the 2 screws on each side. Then you can put your 2-piece cover on top. Again, tighten all 3 screws on each side, and your down limit switch is now installed. If you have any questions, you can visit our website or give us a call. Again, this has been Casey with Command Lite. Thanks for watching.